Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python Flask. Today we are going to learn how to connect to the MongoDB using the Python and the Flask. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we have a mongo.py file. So let's start with beginning. So here we are importing the Flask from the Flask and the render template and the Flask underscore pymongo from the pymongo. So make sure you have to install this package. That is how to install. From here you can install the package from the documentation of the Python. Okay, after this we have a connection string for the MongoDB, and here you need to pass the connection. After this, I am creating a one route and a function where I'm just fetching the data from the users table. Okay, so now after this, I'm just convert the cursor to the list of the dictionaries. So here I'm just converting to the dictionaries so that I can pass it over here and loop it into the index.html and just show the data. Okay, if I go to the front end, and here you can see that the user list are there. These are the three records that we have already, and in the database you can see that we have a three records with this. Okay, here you can see that. So this is how you are able to connect to the MongoDB using the Python and the Flask, right? Very easy, very simple. Okay, I think there is no issue in that. And here just unit in the index.html, what we have to send, just send the users with the users list. Okay, then in the index.html just we are doing the loop. Okay, with the username and the email address, just we are getting it from the loop, right? So this is very easy, very simple. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.